You want to make ice cream, but you don't have heavy cream. It has actually become a very heavy burden for you. Worry not. This video is for you. There are so many ways you can make your ice cream without using heavy cream, and this is one of the recipes I'm bringing to you. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. I have with me here my 1.5 cups of milk, that is powdered milk, and I'm using pig milk. I love pig milk. Yes, I'll go ahead and add small water, mix it very well till it dissolves. So easy. So the next ingredient we are going to add, you can omit it, or you can use coconut milk or any milk of your choice, but I'm going for whole milk, and I'll mix it very well. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon for more videos? And if you're watching me from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please follow for more. I've added my evaporated milk, and that is pig milk. I love pig milk. Yes. Now I'll go ahead and add my condensed milk. You can actually use sugar instead. Okay. The next ingredient I'll be adding is my vanilla essence. You can actually use any flavor of your choice. Now I've divided my ingredients that we combined into two, and this is one part and the other part is this one. With this, I added frozen strawberry powder I bought online and mixed with it. It is actually for smoothies. Okay, so I decided to add to that, and that was the result I got. So I'm just going to pour this in my rubber and then tie it. Childhood memories, Angaza. Abele was without tying it in rubber like this and also in caps. It's not Abele was. Don't mind me. You can just pour it anywhere that you want. Okay, so this is how you can actually tie it in the rubber, and the other part I'm just going to pour it in my container, put some sticks inside, freeze it for 6 to 7 hours, and the next day, my goodness, how to take thumbnail was a problem for me because they finished everything. Fala. Hey, the thing was left with only 4. I said, let me go inside and come and take my thumbnail. Someone came and took 2. Now it has left with only 2. So it was left with just this one. And just look at that. So beautiful. Try this and you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Till we meet again, know that I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.